What's up guys, Adrian here. Today we are going to take a very short tour of the new Toyota Hiace Commuter for 2019. So the changes that Toyota made are very substantial, starting from the exterior. There's no doubt this new model is significantly wider than the previous one. Now, there's a longer front end, which Toyota I think did it for better crash protection, and currently it now houses the new engines for this model year. So other than that, the tires seem to look the same visually. Now inside the van, it's very spacious with a very modern dashboard, and the layout has lots of storage spaces, at least for the front row where the driver sits. Now as for the back, there's nothing special. I mean, it is a commuter, so no bells and whistles. So what you get are the bare essentials like seats. Now the third row up, there is little room for bags at the back. However, you can still slide those bags underneath the seats. Now the Hiace Commuter now comes with the new 2.8 liter engine, which is the same as the Toyota Fortuner. So which puts out a healthy 176 PS at 3,400 RPM and 420 Newton meters at around 1,400 to 2,600 RPM, which is way better than the previous model. So we expect better overall performance for this model throughout its model year. So it actually starts around 1,590,000. So to all business owners that is looking for a van that suits for your business, then the Hiace Commuter is worth a look. So that's it guys, this is a very short tour of the Toyota Hiace. So once again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Adrian, you're watching Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you guys on the next video.